happy moving day. I can't believe the day has actually come. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you for always supporting me. Today's day is moving day, baby. This has been a 4-month wait, I think, so not too bad. I expected it to be longer, but the day has finally come. I'm covered in psoriasis under my hair, and I have impetigo, and I've lost nails because I've just been boxing, sawing stuff out. It's been a crazy week, if I'm honest, and I'm super tired. That was the last sleep we'll ever have in this house, which makes me like really sad. Like, I am so emotionally attached to this house now. I just feel like it just feels so like home, and the fact that it's not going to be after today makes me really sad. And I think when we start moving the stuff in the new house, I'll get more excited. But at the minute, I'm quite anxious, I'm not going to lie, because I just love this house so much. Like, it's literally like my baby. But come along with us. Let's get this new house sorted. Let's make this house a home, and you guys can come on the adventure with us. We are at the new house, guys. The van is loaded. My dad's just helping. Let me take you for a little tour around the new house. Here we are. This is the door. And then you go into a long hallway. I love the tiles in here. It gives me a cottagey vibe. Then straight ahead, get that sorted. We've got a little bathroom. Cute, just does the job. Okay, then we go to the right, and it takes us into this is like a dining area. It's got like a fireplace, but this is all going to be kitchen. So the plan in our head is to knock down this wall just to make this one big diner kitchen. But it's all really nice. Like, the thing is, it is a really lovely house. Like, it's such a cottagey vibe. I just think we need to put our touch on it. And then we got a lovely card, a bottle of Prosecco, and my favourite flowers from the previous owners, which is so lovely. And then we got a little present as well from the estate agents. How cute is this? Just with some goodies in. Little face mask after the stressful day we've had, which is so kind. So yeah, this is the kitchen. There's George. Jordan! He definitely isn't paying attention because he's helping my dad. So yeah, this is the kitchen. Let's go to the other side of the house. So then if you turn left, you go into another room, which is going to be our living room. You've got some patio doors to the garden, a gorgeous fireplace. Love this. So this, I can see this will be sat on the sofa here, telly light here. That's kind of the plan. And then if you turn to your right, there's like another walkway, but this, we're going to actually fill this in to close off this room, because basically you go in and it's got a cellar. I actually forgot, it's actually bigger than, I feel like I thought it was a lot smaller. Should we go down? It's a bit creepy, isn't it? Imagine if the door slams behind me. So yeah, it's only side to side, so it's not big. I'd literally have to crouch to get down here. But yeah, so this, we're thinking, obviously things might change when we're actually in the house, but we're thinking maybe just getting rid of this cellar, knocking this wall down, getting rid of this wall and adding space to this room. Oh, I've just noticed people's heights. Oh, look, there's people's heights. Oh, that's so nice. 2001, 2000s. Oh, how small does it go? Oh, 98. Oh, that is so cute. Let's turn this light off. Then we go into the front room, which is going to be an office. It's so mad because we haven't been in a while. I forgot what the room's like, how big and spacious they are. This was originally going to be the living room, but we think we're going to add a door here so you can get through the hallway into this room. So yeah, this is going to be our office. Don't mind the nails. These are moving in nails. They are battered and very bruised. George, say hi. Yeah, done that room. We're going to basically unpack into that room we were just in. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
And then we've got this little,
Hi.
this little utility, which is great. This is going to be like a beautiful cleaning cupboard with all my favourite things, basically, like cleaning products. And you can see out into the garden. So that's downstairs done. Let's go upstairs, and then after that I'll show you the garden. Okay, let's go up the stairs. Okay, what room should we do first? Let's do our room first. So this is our bedroom. And you've got like a little ensuite, toilet and sink. You come round to the patio. Let's see if it's open. Oh, got some lovely views, the water tower. Jordan loves this patio, this balcony, but I really want like a more modern one. But maybe we'll see. It's a big debate in our house, but yeah, nice garden. And then the other side of the bedroom is the shower, basically. I don't even know how big this is. Oh no. So yeah, little shower room. So overall, the room is like a great size. It's just so cute. I still can't believe this is our new house. Next, we're turning and we're going into, this is Marley's room. I don't know how we're gonna have it laid out yet because we wanna have a like small double in here for him. But basically there's a loft. Maybe I'll show you that later. But we're gonna have some stairs put in so that will go up to the loft and he'll have a playroom up there. And then this is like his little wardrobe, which is like great storage for him. And it saves us buying him a wardrobe because we've just shared a wardrobe, all three of us, like a big one, whereas the wardrobe that we currently have that all three of us are sharing, that will now be Jordan's full wardrobe. So Marley's got that, and then I'll show you why. Okay, so let's go down the corridor. I can't believe we've got a corridor. So this room is the spare room. This is the one that we're going to be living in. The wardrobes are going to be put here that we've already got from our house. And then Marley's bed is going to go somewhere pulled out. But this is another great room. Like, how nice is this? Like, how pretty. The water tower, still the garden. So nice. I feel really unhelpful with my my other half and dad, but I'll be with them soon. So yeah, this is the spare room. And then this is gonna be my favorite room. This is my dressing room / work room, basically. This is where I can do all my work and also look at the storage of dreams. Like, I feel like we should just keep these wardrobes and have them sprayed, because look how much storage there is in here. And they're not like, we've got wardrobes like this obviously for Marley, but they're not this high. Like, these are huge. So yeah, we've got all this space. Obviously this wardrobe is big enough for all three of us, but Jordan said this can be my room, basically, because he wants a games room basically at the bottom of the garden. So he can have that, I can have this. Everyone wins, everyone's happy. So yeah, dressing room. This room is a spare room because it was going to be the office, but then we thought, what happens if we have guests to stay, or if we have another baby one day? Like, it just makes more sense to have this as a spare room. And then next to the spare room is our bathroom, which is like one of my favourite rooms in the house. Like, I actually love this room. Like, look at the bath. It is huge. So yeah, we've got sink, huge bath, toilet and a shower here. I don't really want to change this room super fast because maybe even at all, because I feel like I just loved, as soon as I walked in the bathroom, I loved the bathroom. Like, it was one of my favourite rooms in the whole house. And I just like the tiles. It just gives me the cottage vibe. So the bathroom will probably stay as it is. Obviously, we're going to paint and carpets and just make it our own. But the house itself is stunning. And it's so funny because this wasn't even one of our, like, on our priority list to go look at. We basically had a day with the estate agents, with Watson's, and they took us out to, like, did we go see 4 houses? 5? 4 or 5? And this was one of them, because I just said, like, area, size. And as soon as we left, I, like, had butterflies in my stomach. I was like, I'm really hoping and praying Jordan loved this. And we got in the car and he was like, I love that house. And I was like, oh, well, me too. And it was just like the bulb moment. Like, it all clicked that this was our house. None of them kind of hit the same, all the ones that we'd seen before, like this one. Like, we had butterflies. So this is our new house. Let's go see the garden. Okay, this door open, yeah. So it is raining, so I probably won't stay out here very long. So yeah, they've got patio doors, the utility. This is our garden. Here's the van. How are you getting on?
I'm bothered.
You're doing amazing. Think of all that exercise. Well done, I'll come and help in a minute. So yeah, this is our garden. Pardon? Yeah, I'm nearly finished the video. Oh, they hate me right now. So yeah, this is the garden. Got like this little seated area. We might put, like, we don't know what we're gonna put on there yet. And we've got this big shed. So I look through the window. It's just an empty shed. You can't really see. And then I think that's like for wood. Look at all this storage. Oh, there's paint in there as well. So this is the house. So as you can see, they are 2 separate houses, look. You can't tell it all from the front, but from the back you can definitely see, like, the line. We might even get this side rendered so that it, like, all matches. Oh, and then we've got a log burner outside as well, which I'm so excited to have barbecues in the summer. But yeah, this is the balcony that we were talking about. So that is our new crib. Hey MTV. This is our new crib. What was the saying? Hey MTV, won't you come in? Whatever it is. So yeah, this is our new house. I'm so excited to bring you along, show you what we changed. I've just fell in love with it again, just walking in the door, because we haven't seen it for months. I've just remembered why I love this house so much, and I just can't wait to start our next adventures here and make new memories. Oh, there's just a lot to do unpacking wise. That's probably the worst bit, isn't it? But thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment what you'd like to see, what you'd like to see on my next video. Please subscribe, and thank you as always for supporting me. Lots of love. Mwah.